Samsung seems to have changed its plans for the Galaxy S25 Edge, delaying its launch from April to May or possibly even June 2025. This smartphone, expected to be the company's thinnest model yet, was initially set for release this month, but new reports suggest that Samsung has decided to hold off for a bit longer. The delay has caught the attention of tech enthusiasts, as the device was already unveiled earlier this year. According to South Korean publication ET News, Samsung has officially informed the country's top 3 telecom providers about the revised launch schedule. Initially, some speculated that the delay might be due to last-minute technical issues, but more recent reports suggest that this isn't the case. Instead, the decision appears to be a strategic one. Some analysts believe it may have been influenced by the recent passing of Jie Han, the head of Samsung's device experience DX division. This event might have prompted Samsung to rethink its timeline and approach. At first, there was skepticism about the rumors of a delay, especially since they surfaced around April Fool's Day. However, as multiple sources have now confirmed the information, it's clear that Samsung has indeed pushed back the release. Unlike its major flagship models, this particular smartphone is not expected to have a large-scale launch event. Instead, Samsung will likely introduce it through an online announcement, where details about pricing and availability will be officially confirmed. Speaking of price, reports indicate that the 256GB model of the Galaxy S25 Edge will cost about 1.5 million Korean won, which converts to around $1,023. This places the device in Samsung's premium category alongside its other high-end smartphones. As for the specifications, the phone is rumored to feature a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display and will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Camera-wise, it is expected to come with a dual-lens setup, including a 200-megapixel primary sensor and a 12-megapixel secondary lens. On the front, users may find a 12-megapixel selfie camera. Despite its slim design, the smartphone is rumored to house a 3,900 mAh battery, which should provide a decent amount of usage time. Samsung is also expected to offer the device in 3 color options: black, blue, and silver. Another interesting aspect of this launch is Samsung's production strategy. Reports indicate that the company plans to manufacture around 3 million units of the Galaxy S25 Edge. Given that Samsung aims to ship approximately 37 million units for the entire Galaxy S25 series, this model will make up about 10% of the overall production. The relatively small number suggests that Samsung is testing the waters with this ultra-slim design before committing to a broader release. While some may be disappointed by the delay, it could actually work in Samsung's favor. Taking extra time before launching the device could allow for better optimization, marketing strategies, and perhaps even a few final refinements. If the Galaxy S25 Edge turns out to be a hit, it could set a new design trend for future Samsung smartphones. What's your take on this delay? Do you think it's a smart move, or were you looking forward to getting the Galaxy S25 Edge sooner? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this update helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech news. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.